Hello, welcome to another Facts and Dimensions Spotlight Dataset. This one is constituency data, specifically people claiming unemployment benefits. So let's have a look. We've got three tables. Alternative claimant count of the constituency data, people claiming unemployment benefits, and also this one, the main one, I think, constituency level data on people claiming unemployment benefits, expressing the data both as a number of claimants and as a proportion of residents, 16 to 64 years, right. How much data is in there? 190,000 rows, data going back to May 2010. So not a massive amount of rows, but it is 15 years worth of data, so it's probably quite useful. Let's have a look inside. Okay, so I'll do this one first. Claiming unemployment benefits. You can see it's by constituency, and you've just got counts and rates and by month. And then you've got an alternative one here. Similar sort of data. So link in the description below. You get 30 days free access to this and the thousands and thousands of other data sets in the database for 30 days. Thanks.